Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you Call of Duty Black Ops 7 error, lobby not found, check the code and try again. Error cost 10, error code 2032. So if you're getting this error in the Call of Duty Black Ops 7, then here follow the fix. Now the reason for the error is this error generally occur when you play the ranked in Black Ops 7. Now the fix is you have to contact the Microsoft support and ask them to refresh your Game Pass, and then you must sign out and then sign in back to fix the error. So here how to contact the Microsoft support. Go to the Microsoft support website. I will provide this link in my video description, and then click on Xbox. Then click on Start a Chat. And when you click on Start a Chat, you will get this type of interface. First you need to type I need a real human to chat. You will get this reply. Then you can type I can't play a digital game. Then it will ask which platform are you working with. Then click on PC option. And then you will here get the option of do it yourself, request a call and chat with us. So click on chat with us and then ask them to refresh your Game Pass. And after they refresh your Game Pass, then you must sign out from your account and then sign in back, and then you can launch the game and check. This will fix the error. So by following these steps, you can easily solve Call of Duty Black Ops 7 lobby not found error code 2032. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.